How to use column heading in Quotation Maker. First, go to Settings. Now, go to Column Headings. This is the default column headings screen. Let's understand all the settings, one by one. Change the tax label to GST. Here, you can see how GST will appear in the final PDF. Now, change the tax label to VAT. Here, you can see how VAT will appear in the final PDF. Next, the Product HSN label is set to HSN by default. Here, you can see how HSN will appear in the final PDF. Now, change the Product HSN label to HSN/SAC. Here, you can see how HSN/SAC will appear in the final PDF. Let's change the other charges label to delivery charges. Here, you can see how delivery charges will appear in the final PDF. Change the other charges label to packaging charges. Here, you can see how packaging charges will appear in the final PDF. Thank you for watching.